Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to create multiple YouTube channels with the same account. This process is going to be the same for a computer or a phone. YouTube is a platform where you can watch, upload, and share videos with a lot of topics, from entertainment to education and so much more. So here we're going to go to youtube.com. Here, let's click on the photo icon on the right upper part. Here we're going to go through YouTube Studio, but we can also click on settings. I will show you later. Let's click on continue and click on settings on the bottom left. The settings window will open and here we're going to click on channel. Then we're going to go to advanced settings. Let's go all the way down and here click on manage YouTube account. This new window is going to be open and here I want to show you something. If we go back all the way to the beginning, you can see that this is the same window as if you go there through settings. Now you know how to get there both ways. Now here we're going to click on add or manage your channel and here is going to appear all the channels you have. Having different channels helps you have more organized content, and if you have different kind of videos and people who watch them, you can focus on each of them. These are my channels and here we're going to click on create a channel and there is going to appear this new window, create your channel name. Here we're going to put the name for your channel. In this case, I'm going to put new videos. Click on I understand and then create. Now we have our new channel. Up there you can see the link of your channel. And now when you want to switch your account and go to your other accounts, you have to go to your icon picture and click on it. And here we're going to go to switch account. There is going to appear all the accounts you have and you're going to choose the one you want to use. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.